Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial for the learning mat, which is going to be starting tomorrow on Thursday, but I thought I would do an example for Wednesday's activity. I know I didn't really require you guys to do Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, but kudos to you if you already got a head start. So here goes Wednesday. If you look at the top, Wednesdays is called Whip Up a Web. So it says today you'll be making a web for different ways to show 361. So on my piece of paper, I just took a scrap piece of paper. I'm going to write the number 361. And it says draw lines coming out of the 361 for different ways to show that number. So one way they said you can use base 10 blocks. So all the boys and girls know how to draw base 10 blocks. They might remember it if you use the word drawing a picture. So these big squares I'm drawing represent the hundreds flats that we use in our classroom. So this would be 100, 200, 300, and then 10 sticks for the number in the tens place are just a line. So we would need 6 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the ones are just represented by a circle, and I would just need 1 of those. So this would be the first way to show 361. Now we know other ways to show 361, and that would be in expanded form. So boys and girls, expanded form, do you remember we have to stretch out that number? So we have to make this number say its name. So we have 300 plus 60 plus 1. Good job. All right, another way we know how to draw 361 is by using words. So do your best at spelling, or you can ask whoever is at home with you if you'd like. But 361 in words looks like this. 300, I'm going to write below, 60 dash 1. Okay, we can also show 361 with hundreds, tens, and ones. So there are 3 hundreds, and I'm just going to use the letter H for hundreds, 6 tens, I'm going to use the letter T for tens, and there's 1, I'm going to use the letter 0 for ones. So that's an example of the math web. Down below on the same piece of paper, I'm going to do the AY web. So simply I'll just write the letter AY. I can circle it, I can draw some lines going around, or boys and girls, you can simply make a list. That is up to you. So some words that I can think of right away that end with AY are play, day, and remember in our classroom when we make up new words, we can sometimes try to think of a new word by rhyming with one of the words we already wrote. I can think of the word say. I can think of the word that rhymes with play, clay. And let me see, one other word I can think of is bay. Okay? Parents, if you want to extend this activity, you can ask your child to read each of these or use each of these words in a sentence. So that's a quick example of the learning mat for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or email me.